Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Maytag washer F22 error code from 2025, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First off, what does the F22 error mean? In Maytag washers, this code typically signals a problem with the drain pump or a blockage in the drainage system. It might show up if your washer isn't draining properly, leaving water sitting in the tub. This could be due to a clogged hose, a faulty pump, or even an issue with the pressure switch. To start troubleshooting, make sure your washer is unplugged for safety. Begin by checking the drain hose. It's usually located at the back of the machine. Look for any kinks, clogs, or blockages. If it's bent or obstructed, straighten it out or clear the debris. Next, inspect the drain pump filter, which is often accessible from the front or bottom of the washer. Remove any lint, coins, or small items that might be causing the issue. If that doesn't solve it, try resetting your washer. Unplug it for about a minute, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, you might need to check the pump itself for signs of wear or failure. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps, it's always best to call a professional technician to avoid any risks. One more thing. Always refer to your washer's manual for model-specific advice, as features can vary. By addressing the F22 error quickly, you can get your Maytag washer back to working order and save on repair costs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.